Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include navigation system, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.